Today we've got a traffic signal cabinet that needs to be replaced. This old one was going into flash every time it rained. Even though I think we got it figured out, it's still getting an upgrade. This new one's going to have a UPS battery backup system, so if power goes out, it will continue to run the intersection. But first we've got to get the old one lifted up and out of here. So we've already got the bolts disconnected, all the wires disconnected. We got the chains on it now, and we're ready to lift. We had to break the seal. There's like a silicone seal on the bottom we had to break. That was holding pretty hard. But we got it up. Wires are cleared, and we'll put it on the truck to get taken back to the yard. We've got our guys sweeping off the foundation before we put the new cabinet back on it. We've got the chains here. We're going to put them back onto the new cabinet and finish the swap. Big team effort here. Everybody's got something to do. We got to make sure we land the cabinet back onto the anchor bolts. We'll have to land all the wires, turn all the components back on, put in the batteries. But that's it. Cabinet replaced. Job done.